Assalamualaikum and welcome to flavortin.com. Today we will learn how to transfer and pipe an image on a buttercream cake. So what you need for this project is of course a desired image, pencil or marker, pair of scissors, wax paper, tape and a toothpick. So place the wax paper on the image and secure both sides with tape so that it doesn't move. Now with the help of pencil or marker, trace the image. So if you are not so good at drawing, just like me, even then you can pipe perfect images on your cakes without piping gels or frozen transfers. You can use those techniques too, but I usually use this technique for buttercream images because I feel that this looks more dainty and neat as well. At some point, if you feel that there is some mistake, you can just rub it off and fix it again. That's why I was using pencil, so that I can fix my mistakes. No. I think now this buddy will not let me finish it. Let me do it quickly and I will take it off. Though he doesn't want to let it go. Yeah, that's it. Now cut around the image approximately 1 inch away from the image. I'm just cutting so that it will be easier for me to handle on the cake. Take out your properly chilled cake, better if you freeze it for 10 to 15 minutes. Place the image where you want to pipe. Now with the help of a toothpick, make an impression. Very gently and with steady pressure. Once everything is done, place it back in the freezer for 10 minutes so that when we take off that wax paper, frosting will not come off. Like so. Only I have an impression of Mickey and rest of the cake top is fine. That's what I needed. Now start piping buttercream with a round tip number 3. First I will pipe outline and then I'm gonna fill the rest. I feel so satisfied when I do piping. Is it satisfying for you to watch as well? Let me know in the comments. We are almost done, and in this way you can pipe any image or pattern or anything on your buttercream cake. Voila, done. Now I'm gonna mark some dots for writing. It's the same tip number 3. Now I'm gonna pipe shell border with open star tip Wilton 199. Squeeze and pull away. That's it. Now add some cute little stars. It's a Wilton tip number 16. That's it. It's our final look. Isn't this looking cute and beautiful? You can also try this technique. It's very easy, and if I can do it, so can you. And do share your feedback with me. I would love to hear. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.